We not just specifically in Entebbe, but we are doing an inspection of electricity infrastructure across the country. ERA has started a program of doing inspections of the various distribution infrastructure that we have to ascertain its viability and its ability to do the work that it's supposed to do. We are doing this to try to understand the extent to which our colleagues at UEDCL have moved from the time they took over the network, to get to understand the challenges that they are going through, not from a desk report point of view, but from a field point of view. And so as we are doing this, we are interacting with UEDCL, we are hearing them out, and we're also hearing electricity customers. This inspection is part of the routine normal inspections that we do. It is not coming as an emergency, not something special. We do routine inspections of infrastructure to make sure that it's delivering value for electricity consumers. So that's the reason why we are here today. We are in Entebbe, and tomorrow, and another day will be elsewhere, but we have separated ourselves or distributed ourselves into different groups. So we have a team that's running around Kampala, we have a team that's going west, we have a team in the east, we have a team that has gone to the north to make sure that the whole of Uganda is covered. There were teething problems when UEDCL took over the network from Umeme. Teething issues of trying to get the teams fused in, trying to put the systems in place to work as perfectly as they would. And you can understand when you're taking on a new entity, there is that challenge. But by now, they are expected, and rightly so, to have settled in. If there are remedial challenges, we expect that they should be handling the remedial challenges if there are any. But we acknowledge that at the start there were challenges. There were challenges. Why? Because for about probably 4 months between the time when the announcement, when I think between December and April, Umeme was maintaining the network, but not as robustly as they had used to do. So at the time when UEDCL takes over in April, there is quite a backlog of things that have been combed back because Umeme had stepped down or reduced their level of operation and maintenance interventions. So, but between April and today, this is the 2nd of October, we think that UEDCL should have picked some tenacity on ground to make sure that they are able to stem some of the issues that are affecting electricity consumers. Yes, we can understand that there are complaints. By the way, electricity complaints are a good thing. Why do we say they are a good thing? Because they help us to understand where the challenges are. They help us to understand where the sector needs to step up and improve service delivery. So yes, there could be complaints here and there, but probably those complaints help us to understand that our network needs interventions in places here and there. Although we also do engineering audits that help us to understand what is needed in the network, what's working and what's not working.
So our inspection here is informing a number of interventions that we hope to undertake, and drawing from the reports that we receive right from the utilities and from the public, we are able to segregate where we focus on, what we focus on, and where we put our focus. So through having systems that are intelligent, systems that are speaking to each other, through having systems that are going to reach down to the person on ground where they do not have to walk to offices, through having systems that are closed loop, monitoring the network in real time and providing real feedback, we will be able to get to where we want to get to. But right now it's a step. We are moving a step at a time, building from what Umeme had established to add on. And you see that we are getting smarter, the grids are getting smarter worldwide. Those are some of the interventions that we hope with the UEDCL coming on, the grid will get smarter, the solutions will get smarter, the interventions will get smarter, and with everybody working together towards this, we hope we will have a more sustainable supply.